The world is, the demand for large crankshafts is growing constantly due to the energy needed for data center, for artificial intelligence. And this is why we came up with this M80 machine together with this disc milling unit for highest productivity when it comes to debarking forged crankshafts. Hello, my name is Stefan Voglhuber. I'm application engineer here at WFL. I work for WFL since 26 years. And I'm standing here in front of an M80X with a disc milling unit.
We hear about large data centers, GCCs coming up in India. Do you know that precision component manufacturing takes a big role in building those capabilities? I am at WFL Technology Meeting 2026 at Linz, Austria, where they are showcasing this M80X, which helps these data centers to be built.
You can see a disc mill cutter with a diameter of 1000 millimeters. The cutter is equipped with 28 effective teeth, and the milling unit has a power of 70 kilowatt at 100% rating and a torque of 12,000 Newton meter for highest productivity and highest metal removal rates. This machine we can change this large cutting disc automatically by a gantry, for example. This machine can be also equipped not just with one of these units, but also with two units, which will work then simultaneously and cut the machining time plus or minus into the half. Another benefit of a M80X here is the lower system. At the lower system, as you can see, we don't have any telescopic covers. Even though we just see here one steady rest, a typical setup of such a machine is with a usage of 4 steady rests. And with telescopic covers at the bottom, this would be all impossible. This is another benefit of this machine.